got here to the Raj Kutir. It's really beautiful. Please. Thank you.
This is our desk. Colleagues will assist you. So have reservation with us.
Welcome to Rajput. Wow, for your tea, Kaka. Have a pleasant stay with us. This is Durba Glass. Represents your immortality. Would you like to have some jaggery batasha?
Yes, please. I would like. Thank you.
To welcome you on a sweeter meal.
Thank you so much.
So please, we can proceed directly to the room. And we'll have the formalities inside the room, sir.
This, sir.
Rooms on this side.
Around, sir.
Yeah.
You see the chariot?
Oh wow.
Yeah, once upon time, of course, this used to be alive. Now it is not.
Wow.
And yes, you can have a look. It is one of the beautiful part of the hotel.
Wow. Building is very beautiful.
Thank you, sir. Weather is also today very nice.
Definitely.
This,
Thank you.
your room number is 104,
Okay.
and that is where you'll be staying.
So the place
I believe.
used to be a king called Kaliprasad Singha
Uh-huh.
and his 26 family members who used to live in here.
Yes.
So he entered through a small narrow entrance called Hotok. Hotok is a Bengali word. It means the entrance.
Okay.
It's narrow district region behind during 19th century. The king and his elder son who had a fight with Britishers and they won the battle. So when they won the battle, Britishers were back to back attacking to capture this place. So he had made this narrow entrance to save his family members in case there is an attack. So he can search the photo. And here we are. This is called Eagle Gate. Again, this is another checkpoint. From here, this also used to be searched. And this area used to, entire family, used to get saved. From here, it's a 13.5 acres property. The more we go in, the property is wider and bigger. We'll actually experience it, sir. Stairs. Please, sir, come in. And then we landed up to the land gate.
I feel like a Raja now.
You are the king. And see the palanquin.
Oh wow.
It is 1,000 year old. Of course, the base we have made recently to
Yes,
just to
yes.
keep it.
Wow. Beautiful.
This
The
used
detail.
To be, yes, this used to be carried, especially the woman, from one place to another place by 4 people, 4 men. Those to carry. This is the main part of the hotel called courtyard, and I'd like to show you one of the interesting things, sir. The live and active letter box. Till today we are maintaining. We encourage our guests to write something to your loved one, to your relative, with the address, and we on behalf of you deliver it.
Silly.
Yes, it takes some time, as his own time. It's not that faster, of course, but it is still alive.
Wow.
And this is one of the hotel experience.
Definitely.
I would like to be part of it, sir.
Definitely. Thank you.
So your
breakfast will be in front of the restaurant from 7 to 10:30.
Okay.
That is the East India room, so primarily Bengali cuisine with all the lost foods of Bengal. And on the left hand side is the bar, the swing. It's from 12 to 12. The restaurant is 24/7, but after 10:30 a midnight menu is available. So certain items are not available for consumption, but you can pre-order them. And in the courtyard from 6 to 7 we have Bengali folk dance culture performance. So where we dance for there will be music along with some snacks, that is a Bengali common snacks, that is the chai and chalmuri. You can come out of your room and try it.
Definitely.
This
I'll try
way.
to do
This
this.
way.
Thank you. The detail, the artwork is
Yes.
really phenomenal.
This unique part of the hotel you would see. It has this area. We have 33 rooms. All the rooms you will see that it has names.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
see, it starts with Atithi. Atithi means the guest.
Yes.
So the guest of kings, those who used to come and stay here, they used to get one of the Atithi rooms. So these all are Atithi rooms. And the 104 for you.
Your room is called Mama Babu.
That is the Mama Babu.
Mama Bao.
Yes. Mama is your mother's
Mother's
brother.
brother.
Yeah.
Ah.
So you are the Mama Babu today.
Thank you.
And this is one of
Oh,
the
wow.
lovely rooms, sir.
Wow.
Much spacious.
Very spacious.
with all this unique and traditional furniture,
Wow.
and for interesting parties to climb up the bed, we have stairs
Ah.
there.
Okay.
So you may take help. Probably for you it's not required. You are
Definitely.
already- Yes.
Definitely. It's definitely like a
It is
A palace
palace
feel.
feeling. Yes. So all these are recreation.
So this is the welcome letter. It's
Thank
a
you.
brief orientation of the property.
thank you so much.
I just need your